Hey guys, in this video I'll teach you how to make the best skin glow smoothie. If you are the type that's been suffering from acne and uneven skin tone, this smoothie is really good for you. If you take it about 3 to 4 times a week, trust me, you will see changes on your skin. And I'll also teach you how to make smoothie for constipation as well. So let's get right into it. For the skin glow smoothie, you need pineapple, you need lemon, you need apple, you need carrots and ginger. You will then wash everything thoroughly with white vinegar or baking soda. Make sure you scrape out the dirty skin of the carrots. Now cut out the skin of the pineapple. Pineapples are loaded with plenty health benefits. They are rich in vitamin C, which can help promote the skin health. It can also help you boost your immune system and has a lot of other benefits. Apples contains vitamins which can help you protect the skin from damages, and it also has the ability to brighten your skin with many other health benefits. For carrots, carrots contains vitamin A and C and other nutrients that help hydrate and protect your skin from sun damage. It can also balance your blood sugar as well. For ginger, ginger can help fade scars and hyperpigmentation. It can also help promote smooth and uneven skin tone, plus plenty other benefits. Lemon are also rich in vitamin C and antioxidants. Lemon can also brighten your skin, reduce dark spots, and treat acne. Once you add everything to your blender, add water. You can also add some ice cubes to make it a bit chilled. Blend everything till it's smooth and enjoy. And you just made yourself a very healthy skin glow smoothie. It tastes really good. It's actually better you take it as smoothie like this instead of juice, because the shaft you're going to waste if you juice it out has more nutrients than the juice itself. But if juicing it out is your preference, then you can stick to it. Now the second one is smoothie for constipation. You need cucumber, apple and lemon. Make sure you wash thoroughly as well, then cut the cucumber into pieces. You don't need to remove the seeds. Cucumber are high in water and this can naturally aid digestion. The fiber in cucumber helps regulate your bowel system, which can prevent constipation. Apples can also help with constipation because it contains fiber that can help regulate digestion and relieve constipation as well. Lemon juice can help bowel movement as well. So you can add water then blend till it's smooth. Like I said earlier, taking everything as smoothie is better than juicing it because every part has its own benefits and you don't want to waste it. These smoothies are very healthy and they have a lot of other benefits beyond just skin glow and constipation. You can also make your research as well. If you find this video very helpful, don't forget to like, and if you have any questions, you can drop it in the comment section. Thank you so much for stopping by.